parts you may need. If you're buying in bulk, you may need some spare ink bottles or cleaner bottles. Tubing, if you have a tubing issue where you get a damaged piece of tubing, if you can't cut the tubing down and the length now is too short, it is 1/4-inch tubing. You can get it local sometimes, but you need to make sure it is safe for the base chemical type you're using on your ink or cleaner. Same thing with your simple barb fittings or your tees. If you need to splice it, make sure you're using something that is acceptable for acetone or alcohol, depending on what system you have. Highly, highly recommend only using Matthews ink or cleaner. Nothing good comes out of using something else and then having a problem with your print head. So let's look at some of these part numbers that we have. So common part numbers would be the filter cap. Filter caps are the same on the blade and on the Cyber AT. The cleaner and the ink are the same cap assemblies as well. The Matthews brush, we have a part number for that. That would be purchased from Matthews. This empty bottle you can purchase through MiTek. We do keep those in inventory, and you would only need that empty bottle as if you're purchasing ink in bulk. And if I would always have spare bottles available. And then that 1/4-inch tubing, this is a part number. We sell it by the foot. This is the tubing we need for acetone or alcohol based, same tubing from MiTek. Again, you might be able to get it local. Just make sure you're using it for the correct base. Purge valves, we have a MiTek part number for that. Ink line couplings, we have both sides here, and you can see they are O-ring types. So this is one thing you're looking for that could be damaged when you're looking to see if there's any kind of leakage or anything when we're doing our daily inspections, looking at our system. So for the blade saw, these are Matthews part numbers. This is the Matthews cleaner and ink. This is for the acetone based system. And I believe Matthews sells it in a box of six 1-liter bottles of cleaner and ink. On the Cyber and Cyber AT saws, again, this would be what we use in the factory to begin with. This is what we used back when there was just straight up Cybers and the Cyber ATs. We ran an alcohol-based system. This is the cleaner, and this is the ink number from Matthews. Again, if you want to switch this Cyber and Cyber AT over to an acetone-based, this is completely acceptable. Matthews is where you're going to purchase your ink and cleaner. MiTek does not sell ink and cleaner. We let Matthews take care of the ink and cleaner directly from them.